Yo, what's going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I want to discuss one pair of dunk lows that has been rising in price. You probably can tell by the title, the thumbnail, the Fuchsia dunks have been doing pretty good recently. And if you remember a couple months back or like a month or so ago, I was saying these are going to be a good play. So hopefully you got some pairs to hold on to because some of the sizes have already been making some progress. So if you want to take a couple sales, not a bad idea. But if you want to keep holding, also not a bad idea as well. So we'll get into it. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to check my Instagrams, any of that down below. And y'all can subscribe and like if you just want more review content like this, sneaker holding videos. And of course, you can check out my friend and I's group down below if you want to start becoming a better reseller. The Undermarket Sneakers, we offer exclusive brick flip calls so you can make more sales, profit more consistently as a sneaker reseller, and kind of learn how to build up, getting an inventory over time so you can get more capital. But that's all I need to say. Hope to see you on that wait list down below. You can get access to our deals, profitable backdoors, free food codes, and so many other things that we offer within the group. And those brick flip calls, very useful. So see y'all there. Hope y'all will enjoy, and gonna drop some of these in deals soon, I think, because why not? I mean, they've been rising and I got like 10, so let's do it. But let's discuss the Fuchsia dunk lows. So first things first, the main thing I want to show y'all right off the bat is gonna be the prices, so y'all know kind of what we're working with right here. So I'm just gonna open this on my phone. Let's see if this will work. So here are the current prices that we have for the Fuchsia dunks. I'm gonna show y'all this on the screen so you can see size 6, and once this focuses you'll be able to see it. But sizes 6.5 and 7Y are the ones performing best right now, and actually I have a decent amount of those right now, which I'm pretty happy about. And again, I originally bought into my Fuchsia dunks at 105 per and 115 per. Again, this was after they did back-to-back restocks for them, so they were very tanked in price. Here I'll show y'all right about when I bought them. I'm trying to find kind of like the point, but right about when they were like here on StockX, like 120, like 121. You can see right about there, not doing too hot. The best reselling size was 6.5Y at the time, and you can see it wasn't doing too hot. But since then, again, these have made some great progress with that back to school demand. I'm honestly going to keep holding these. I'm just going to wait a couple more weeks because I think, again, heading into back to school, something like this, a pink and white grade school dunk low, right? And you know how parents are trying to get their kids fresh for back to school. I'm just saying, I think these are going to make some serious progress on apps, but I also think that, there's just going to be a strong local demand. Like, honestly, I'm going to try and consign these, but best bet, will probably be just, trying to get some flips going for them online, or, consigning them via, an online method. We also, can teach you how to consign online in our groups. That's probably what I'll do, is just send them to some sneaker stores around and make more for my sales that way. But, again, that's a pretty decent rise for them. I haven't seen them really making too much progress in, the preschool sizes yet. Again, this has mainly just been for the grade school ones, but overall, one thing I want to say is this one could potentially, now, while you see the chart is fairly nice for it right now, of course, with any grade school dunk, it does become a little bit risky to hold because the question is always just a matter of when are these going to restock again, because Nike will do it. It's probably down the line and planned. It's just a matter of when is that restock going to happen. I do want to hold these until Christmas. That was my original plan. I just find it to be a little bit risky, so I might sell off a lot of my pairs around back to school time just to be safe, invest it into something else long term, or just kind of hold the capital until we got another good release coming up that I can flip. But overall, Fuchsia dunk lows are rising right now. I hope you've been holding onto some pairs. Grade school dunks, again, a lot of the ones haven't been doing too hot recently, but this has always been a good bet because that pink and white colorway hits very, very nice in hand. Parents are trying to get these for their kid. I mean, this is a really nice and simple shoe, and girls are always loving that pink and white theme. So I mean, Nike really killed it with this dunk low on the insole. Also very, very nicely done. So I mean, they made a good dunk low. This pair's a size 5Y, so it's actually probably one of the sizes that would be doing worse. But I'll show y'all some of the other sizes that we got for the Fuchsia dunk low, so y'all can see we got some inventory right here. We got a video on all this coming soon, but here are some Fuchsia dunk lows: 6.5Y, 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 6Y, 6Y. And we also got, I think, we got a 7Y right there. So those are a few of the Fuchsia dunks. And then also we got the 5Y right here as well. So let me know what you guys are thinking about these dunks. Again, I actually really like how these hit in hand. Hopefully this is kind of like a better view for the sneaker right here. But you guys can see why these have been rising. I mean, this is a really clean, simple to wear, easy to style. The ladies, girls for back to school. I mean, this is that pair
for that. I mean, it's definitely one of those ones that'd be in demand. So that's the main reason I'm holding it right now, is for that.
And stay tuned for the sneaker inventory video coming soon. We've been sourcing more inventory, but I plan to show y'all my holds, almost 10K in inventory. We've been working, guys. But yeah, very short, simple little update video. I might cut something else into this video as well, just so it isn't as short, but mainly just one I wanted to give a short update for. It could have made probably like a YouTube short or something on this, but it's just basically discussing the Fuchsia dunks and them rising in price, because again, any type of dunk like this, it's clean, recently restocked, and you know the sales are going good for it. I mean, locally these sell like crazy. So I mean, once I've seen how some of the local sales were, especially like in some of the stores, like selling them for like $250 per, I was like, oh wow, okay, maybe I just need to be a bit patient. So that's the reason why I've held on to these. But if y'all want more content like this, check my Instagrams, any of that down below. And don't forget, you can check out my friend and I's group, HYPELABS, down below. If you want to become a better reseller today, that is what we can teach you: how to get more pairs to hold, how to get better prices for your sneakers, how to negotiate with deals, our exclusive brick flip calls, so you can stay, you know, consistently profiting as a reseller, profitable clothing backdoors, the undermarket deals we even do, just because that's a little fun thing we do every day for members. Just if you win one of those, and it's always fun. So yeah, that's it. Don't miss out. You can really, there's a lot of opportunity there. You just take advantage, stay active, you know, look in some of the channels, you know, read up on some of the walkthroughs and guides we have, and you'll be good. So that's all I need to say. And again, let me know if you've been holding on to any Fuchsia dunks, because I know some people holding like 40 of these, and I'm like, dang, you're gonna be good in the future. But again, then also when you see people holding like 40 pairs, 100 pairs of something, you're like, okay, maybe I should take my sales before they take their sales, if you get what I'm saying. But that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. And hopefully, hopefully I'll catch you on the next video. Should be tomorrow. Might take a day off. I don't know. I work 10 to 5. I think the next like 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna try and get something up, but catch you on the next one soon. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe and like down below. Let's try to 200 likes on this video. I can't believe I almost forgot to say that. All right, now we're done. Peace.